tour. We're going to the south coast.
We are going to explore this beautiful island on this gloomy day. Of course, in Iceland, you usually just have to wait 5 minutes or drive for 5 minutes, then the weather will completely change. So let's hope that will be the case. Well, let's not hope it will get worse, but maybe better. Maybe there will be sun, clear blue skies on the south coast. And as I said, we will drive for a very, very long time today. And you guys can stretch your legs, go in, use the bathroom, buy refreshment and so on. This gas station is located in the town of Hvolsvöllur. And believe me guys, the words will just get more difficult throughout the journey. So first destination is Hvolsvöllur town. A big meal of today. So Vik, that means nom 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 nom. So we can basically divide the day into two sections. This was the first section. These beautiful waterfalls, toilet town, and then Vik. And from Vik, then we will drive for a very, very, very long time. 2 hours, 2.5 hours to reach the glacier lagoon. Of course, it is located almost, it's on the borders of south coast, end of south coast, and the beginning of the east of Iceland. So from Vik, we will drive for a long time. Sun with clouds, sunny with clouds, like sometimes sun and then like clouds come and take the sun away for a little bit. So that's just good. And now if you look here to the left, straight ahead to the left, then you will see a lot of steam coming up from the ground. Now this is the geothermal power station. Soon you will start to see pipelines both on the left and the right. Now what they do in this geothermal power station is that they drill. They drill about 1 to 2 kilometers down to earth. Here are the pipelines on the left and the right. And they drill until they reach groundwater, which is very warm due to the volcanic activity underneath Iceland. And the water is about 250 degrees Celsius. Wait a minute. Wouldn't that just be steam going to the guys? Yeah, well, you would think so. But there's so much pressure down there, it's still water. Ah, okay. Then they bring it up to the surface and take it into a compressed tank and cool it down to the degree of 82 degrees Celsius. And then they put the water in those pipelines that we saw and take the water all the way down to Reykjavik. And when you guys get back to your hotel later this evening and maybe take a shower, then you're bathing in all geothermal water from this power station. Here you can see some hot springs on the left. So basically, we are driving underneath a very, very active volcanic zone. Don't worry, there will not be any eruption anytime soon, geological speaking. But there is a power plant there that we saw, And also on the other side of the mountain, there's another geothermal power plant there. And 9 out of 10 houses in Iceland are warmed up with geothermal power. So basically, just all natural warm water. And the rest of the houses in Iceland, so 10%, they are warmed up with electricity. So green energy. Many Icelanders are very proud of this fact. Could say that Iceland is one of the leading nations in geothermal power and green energy. And now, of course, we are very high on the highland, and the mist is settling in. The fog is coming crawling towards us. What is lurking in the mist? Doesn't matter in what conditions you're driving in Iceland, 100% visibility, in fog or mist, rainy day, snowy day. The nature is always dramatic, as you can see now. If you look both to your right and your left, this fog just adds another layer to the drama that you can see in this rough terrain. And there are many folk tales in Iceland about the mist. Because who arrives with the mist? It is the hidden people. And what are the hidden people? Well, they live in a parallel universe to ours. And they're called hidden people because they choose when they want to be seen. And when you're walking or driving or horseback riding on a road and the mist comes settling in, then you should always be aware of the hidden people lurking in the mist. Come with me. But don't worry, you're in good hands with Norbert and Gunnar. We will soon get down from the highland, and then it should be a little bit better visibility. Very good. You may read it as Skyer. It's high in protein, and of course nowadays it comes in all kinds of flavor: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, blueberry, anything you can think of, creme brulee even. But the Vikings, they for the sweet tooth. Very good. So this place is called Vik. That sounds very similar to Reykjavik. That's correct. Very good, guys. As you may remember, Smoky Bay, Reykjavik. This is just Bay. So they are very unoriginally name giving here. Where do you come from? I come from Bay. Oh, which Bay? Just Bay. Oh, okay. We will be here for 45 minutes. Should be some, should enough be enough time to find something for your appetite. And look here, guys, to the right. You will see some islands in the distance. Look for them. They're now about 4 o'clock. The restaurant has a beautiful scenery of the islands. Of course, you're allowed to go into the grocery store, buy a sandwich, and walk a little bit down to the Black Sand Beach there. But we will, of course, go to another Black Sand Beach. It's beautiful in this misty weather. It looks like something out of Pirates of the Caribbean. That's Harry Potter theme song. Not Harry.
First stop, toilet stop. Ayan, natin. Dito tayo. It's raining, no good weather today. It's bad. Weather is not so good. We'll see. The weather's not good.
Now we are driving actually in a lava field, or through a lava field. This lava field was formed in the year 1000. The same year Iceland became a Christian nation. So this lava field is called Lava Field of Christianity. Bears the name of Jesus Christ. It's a beautiful place, and it's actually good that we are driving in a rain in these areas, because all of this grayish green color that you see, this hue on top of the lava rocks, this is moss all around that we are seeing. And if we would be driving on a sunny day, then it would just be very boring gray color. But when it's rain outside, then it gets a beautiful green color. And maybe later today, when we're driving back to Reykjavik, it will even be more greener. It was very dry yesterday, and now it's maybe, but it is going to be a rather wet day. And sometimes rain is good when you're traveling, sometimes it's bad. But I'm realistic, optimistic. All of the fishermen in the town did not go out to fish because it was too bad weather. So all of the boats in the town, it's a fisherman's town, were in the harbor, so they could tell anyone in the village to come on board to the boats, and then they evacuated all of the town very quickly and sailed safely back to Reykjavik. And people just had to live there for about half a year because the eruption lasted from February to almost the end of the summer that year, 1973. And now they have, through the time, digged out many of the houses that went under volcanic ash. And some of the houses are now a museum today. We call it actually a comedic name, Pompeii of the North. I think it's a funny name. But even though they had like this tragic story, many people lost their houses, all of their memories in a photo album, everything almost got lost. But most of the people moved back to the island because they love it so dearly. And now we have arrived to the beautiful
Like literally 5 minutes away we are from this river. Yeah.
And these cliffs that you are seeing here in front of us, and soon when we will drive from Seljalandsfoss, then we will of course drive further east. Then we will always have cliffs on the left and always on the right we will have flat land. That's because all the cliffs that you're seeing here, for example the cliff where Seljalandsfoss falls off, this is the old coastline of Iceland. Then the sea level lowered and this flatlander rose. So we are basically just driving on the old seabed. Very good. It's a very short walk from the bus, as you can see. They have toilets, they have a stand there, but I recommend just enjoying the sight. As I said, later today we will go to Vik, have a lunch there. Very good. We shall stay here. Let me do a calculation.
Walk behind it too. People behind the falls. We like the sights.
Very good. I'm supposed to give you 20 minutes, but I'm gonna give you a little bit more, a couple of minutes more. So let's just say 10:55. That's very good. 10:55. So I recommend to start to walk to the waterfall, very short distance, look at it from the distance, and then on the right, start to walk behind.
Time 10:55. Okay, we are here. So we finally arrived here sa waterfalls. Yun. Yan ang sa likod ko. Picture. Yung ulan, weather is not so good. So, let's see. Look. Yeah. Look at that. That's the famous Kalapura Waterfalls. Nakalimutan yung pangalan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko may pronounce. But look at that. Let me get some picture too. There it is. Look at that video. Yes, that waterfalls. We only have 20 minutes to spend here and to see. They are like this here. See the beauty. Let's go on the side where people are going. Oops, yeah. Let's go there. Very nice. See the waterfalls. And also there. Look at that waterfalls there. It's very nice. Let's go around behind it, see? The people going around. See. Nothing down. Yeah. Look. Moisture too wet as well. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Let's go walk around it. What time? We have 48. 55. A few minutes left. There's a river here. Take a picture. Oops. It's very nice, eh? Look at that view. Look at that view. Okay, it's very cold. Oh. 10 more minutes. We have 10 minutes. How beautiful is that? Huh? 10 minutes. That's beautiful. And there's another one. Tuloy na ibig ko. Ang lamig. Buti na lang, summer ngayon. Summer pa ngayon. Eh, paano kung winter na? Everything is snow. Good. Icy water na yan. So, see? Let me get a picture. Perfect. Right there. Right there. That here. That one. Yes. Yeah. So I don't know how much time I have. If I can make it to the other side. 47. Let's walk there. Down. The leisure that one. Lamig. I bought this. Not even say. See? Iceland. Souvenir. $7. Okay. And we're gonna run. Going back. We have no time. It's no good. With 20 minutes. So we only have 55 to go back to that place. There, the parking lot behind me. Let's walk faster. Yeah. Swimming. It's beautiful. See what's in there. Let's take a good photo here. Literally 6 minutes remaining. It's last bago maiwan ang bus. Have to go right in front. Nice to see. Good. We were here. So there's nothing much. And we have to here. Take picture. Okay, literally my hands is frozen. Go back. All right, let's go. Let's go. See, that's beautiful. Yeah. So you have to go back there. Run away. Run. 25 minutes to be late. Sunod na usap ko. 53. 2 minutes left to go there in the bus. It's very beautiful. The place is good. Marami kasing falls like this in the Philippines, pero mountain area sa loob. This one is like open. So the view is like in open field. Open field, see? And then the falls over there, which is very, very nice. Let's go back. Yeah. Nakatakad. There are like 3 falls. One biggest one, small plus one na maliit. So there are like total of 4 falls. So loob ko. There's a cold here. Why I hate tour, because it's always very limited time. I prefer my own, but there is in this place there's no chance to do it alone. You have to do it in a tour. So it's like time, it's very constricted. And then yun nga, may naiwan pa kanina, dalawa. So we better come back. Nauubos yung oras namin. Sayang. Sayang ka. Okay, but anyways, it's good. Good while it lasts. Yeah. So, picture tayo. At tayo ng picture. The more picture the better, so you have more choices. Ako pumunta doon sa likod kasi ang lamig. Lakas ang bulan ng tubig. That's the one. That's the money. That's the money shot. Let's have a picture. Sa mansion. Yan yung binayaran natin eh. Yeah, so we have to go here. Yeah. So that's the mansion right there. Oh, that's a nice one. So we have to get to that. See, that's a good shot. Let's have that one. Let me see. How do I look? Ang pangit ng buko. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's very cold. Okay, let's go back. It's very cold. Very nice. Very beautiful. Okay, let's go back. And that's to conclude the tour here. Only fucking 20 minutes. No good. That's why I hate joining tours. I prefer doing it myself. So you don't have to rush. I didn't even get to that other end and see what's in there. This is that's me already here. 10-15 minutes just here. It's not so good. Tours are bad. Better do it yourself. DIY. Joining a tour is not good. Believe me. Money shot behind me. Yeah. Right. Get mamas of flowers. Yeah, alright. Hold your hand in the sand. Look to myself for hours. Where is my bass? Hurry. There it is.